want to discuss about the main purpose of these differential equations. Okay, so differential equations, differential equations comes comes into the inventions of inventions of inventions of calculus जब calculus when the calculus is inventions by the mathematicians or scientists Newton's and Leibniz. For this purpose we have discovered the differential equations. So let us discuss what is the differential equations day by one step I will discuss here. At first, now I want to draw some cut all the straight line whose slope is 1. Okay, so let us so that means slope is 1. All the straight line, all the straight line whose slope is 1. Okay, so what is this? This is y is equals to x. And similar pattern, what is this? Y is equals to x plus 2. And what is this? Sorry, this is x x minus, this is actually x minus 1. And similar pattern, x is equals to y is equals to x minus 2. And this is there are so many straight lines. Similarly here, y is equals to x plus 1, this is y is equals to x plus 2. Here I draw all the straight lines whose slope is 1. So there are so many straight lines. Now I want to write a compact form all the straight lines. What is this? So this is actually y is equals to x plus c. And here the slope of this straight line is 1. Okay, and this is the intercept. C is the intercept of this straight line. So what is this? This is actually the family of straight line. Okay, so actually this is y is equals to x plus c. This is nothing, this is actually the straight family of straight line whose whose slope, that means this is m is equals to 1. So what I write here, actually I draw the whole straight line, all are passing through, all are slope is 1. So this is the actually this is a family of straight line with slope is 1. Now I want to derivative. Okay, so when y is equals to x plus c, so what is this? So just when we differentiate this equation with respect to x, so what is this? This is dy by dx is equals to 1. So what is this? This is actually differential equations. So what is this? Just to write one important thing of this article or argument. Just you have to focus on my teaching style. Just a minute. What is this? This is y is equals to x plus c. So what is this? This is family of straight line whose slope is 1. What is this? Slope is 1. And why? This is dy by dx is equals to 1. So this is another representation. So this is actually Cartesian representations, and this is differential differential representations. Okay, there are so many representations. And what is this? This is actually what I write here. Actually this is cartesians cartesians form of a straight line. This is actually This is y equals to x plus c, and this is dy by dx equals to 1. All are represents a straight line, family of straight line, but representation is different. This is actually Cartesian form, and this is differential form. सो व्हाट इज दिस इज एक्चुअली ये कुछ नहीं है, ये बोल रहा है जे y इक्वल्स टू एक्स प्लस सी, ये फैमिली ऑफ स्ट्रेट लाइन को समझ रहे हैं, ये बोल रहे हैं, लेकिन इसका रिप्रेजेंटेशन कार्टेशियन फॉर्म में, और ये dy बाय dx दिस इज एक्चुअली डिफरेंशियल इक्वेशंस डिफरेंशियल फॉर्म में लिखे हुए हैं, ये दिस इज एक्चुअली डिफरेंशियल इक्वेशन, दिस इज नथिंग, जस्ट आई राइट another representations. Another example, I will take another examples. I hope that you will understand the differential equations, history of differential equations. Just a minute. I write an questions. This is the find the differential equations. Huh, differential differential equations of equations of all circles, all circles, okay, all circles whose center center at origins, center at origins. So just I try to the Cartesian form of all straight line, sorry, all circles whose center is at origin. Just I write, just I try to write this equations of all circles. What is this? This is actually nothing. Just you have to draw this circle. So this is the Cartesian system. At first we'll write this is the center, okay, center, and you can draw a lot of circle. This is a lot of circle. So when we know this is, what is this? This is C1 and this is C2 and this is C1, C3, dot dot dot. You can draw a lot of circles. So what is the Cartesian form? So this is x square y square equals to C1, x square plus y square is equals to c square 1 and this square. I'm sorry for that. So there are so many circles we can draw here. So what is this? So actually, so this is when we try to write the compact form of this all these circles, compact form of Cartesian equation, all this circle. So what is this? Have you seen this? X square plus y square is equals to c square. So actually this is the all the circle whose center is at 0, 0, okay, origin. So this is the Cartesian form for the circle. But I want to interest to determine the differential equations of these circles. Okay, just a minute. So differential equation, that means we have to differentiate these equations with respect to x, otherwise with respect to y. So this is when we differentiate these equations with respect to x, and this is constant. So this is 2x plus 2y into 2x is equals to 0. So 2 cancel out. So this is 2y by 2x equals to y by x. Sorry, this is x by y. So what is this? This is actually differential equation. So what is this? This is actually differential equation. I hope that you understand what is a differential equation. Till now, I am trying to understand the requirement of the differential equation. Till now, I don't discuss about the definitions of differential equation. So now I will go to the definitions of differential equation. Just a minute, I will discuss it. At first, I'll clean the board. I clean the board, then I will discard the definitions of the differential equation. Somebody or discuss about the differential equations, the relations between the x, y, and some at least one of the differential. This is called a differential equations. But then they not discuss about the history of differential equations. This is the history of differential equations I have discussed here. Just a minute. Okay. So at first, when I write here x square plus y square equals to c square, and this is the differential equations for dy by dx equals to minus of x by y. So this is the Cartesian's form. This is the Cartesian's form of circles, and this is the differential form of circles. Okay. So there are two. There are. At first, I want to discuss definitions of the differential equations. So x is called independent indi, independent variables. Okay. This is independent variables, and y is called huh, dependent 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 variables. Okay, and this is, and I write here just to make what I write here. This is dy by dx. What is this? This is actually dy by dx. Okay, d2 by dx2, d3 dx3, and this process dn by dx to the power n. So what is this? Sometimes I will write here dy by dx, but why not we can write dx by d of y? Obviously we can write this dy dx by d2 x, and this pattern we can write the nth term. So this is dnx by d of y. So what is this? This is actually nothing. This is actually differential. What is this? This is differential. Okay. So mathematician write the definitions. Actually, not mathematician. This is actually work. This work is complete by Newton and Leibniz. Newton says that about the definitions of the differential equation. Says that the relations between. So I write this. So actually, all are differential. Okay. So differential equation says this. The relations between on independent variables or dependent variables x, y, and on at least at least on differential is called differential huh, differential equations. Okay, just I write. My handwriting is not clear. Right when I try to write it speedily, then I write my handwriting is not good. But when I try to write this try to write this properly, then I'll write my handwriting properly. Just a minute. What is this? So actually, differential equation is nothing. Just this is the relations to me and you. All are student and me. I am the teacher of mathematics of you. So what is the relations between two you and me? So this is there are maybe some names, but here the names. This is differential, and this is x is independent variables and y is dependent variables. Okay, so relations between independent variables, dependent variables, and at least one of the differential is called It's called differential equations. Okay, I hope that you understand the definitions, huh, main definitions of huh, that means, okay, what is this? So this is the function x, y, and one of the at least maybe dy by dx, d2y by dx2, and this is d1 dx1 is equals to 0. So this is the main definition. Sometimes all the books all the books are written these definitions in their book, but this is the actually will understand to our own language. So what is this? This is actually when I understand, when I try to understand to all the students this definition. So all the students are don't understand this definition by when we try to understand approach by approach, step by step, then all the students are understood this definition. So this is actually, this is the definitions of differential equations. Okay, so there are two main aspects of this chapter. Okay, this is what I write here. So this is Cartesian's form. At first we write here Cartesian's Cartesian's form. Okay, this is Cartesian's form, and this is differential form. Okay, that means at first we try to determine the Cartesian's form, then Cartesian's form to who are going to the differential form. So when we try to Cartesian's form to differential form, what is here, what I write here, what I do here, we work here the differentiate मतलब यहाँ हम लोगों को क्या करना पड़ेगा, डिफरेंशिएट करना पड़ेगा. और डिफरेंशिएट से हम अगर डिफरेंशिएट इक्वेशन से अगर हम लोग कार्टेशियन फॉर्म पे आएंगे तो क्या करना पड़ेगा, विल डू इंटीग्रेट with respect to x or y. Okay, x or y. So this is the main aspect of this system, this chapter. So when we differential equations to Cartesian form, then we will get this is the solutions. Okay, obviously we will know this is the solutions of the differential equations. This is the differential equations. Okay, and when we Cartesian form to differential form, so this is actually, this is formations of differential equations. I hope that you are understood this method or this process or this system. So this is the short introductions of differential equation. I hope that you understand this process. I will discuss later how to differentiate or how to construct differential equations and how to solve differential equation in next video. So thank you everyone. I hope that you are enjoying this class and enjoying my teaching style. Definitely I will make this all the videos as like this. Okay, so tata everyone, like, subscribe my channels and share all the students or all your friends. I hope that my teaching style you will like this. So thank you.